just for the thrill of it. Nothing counterfeit with you, just the thrill of it.
Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Tiwari and you're watching VEX Graphic Design Studio. So today we're gonna learn how to add a neon effect to your photographs using Photoshop. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So here we are in Photoshop. First we're gonna click on File, create a new file with a resolution and width of 1080 by 1080 and the resolution is to be 72. All digital devices use 72 resolution. Okay, now click create. Next step is we're quickly gonna bring our image into the Photoshop file. Here we have our image. If you want, you can resize it as per your liking. Now as you can notice that there are blank spaces around the image. To fulfill that, we're gonna create a new layer, move it underneath our image layer. Now in the foreground color, we're gonna just click here on the color tile and gonna select a color from the image, that is black. Now we're gonna fill the black color into this layer. We're gonna go to the edit, select fill, content foreground color is black, yes. Now click OK. As you can see that the hand appears to have been ripped off, so we're just gonna quickly adjust our hand. We're gonna select the move tool. We're just gonna place the hand here. If you want, you can resize the hand as per your liking and adjust it on the canvas simply by clicking Ctrl T for transform and just dragging the image to what size you feel is best. Now let's adjust the hand. Now for the neon effect, you have to create a shape, which you can do either by using the shape tools or by using the pen tool. I am using the pen tool as I want to create a rectangle. So make sure that the fill is selected no fill and the stroke is selected to a white color or any other color of your liking. Okay, now the pixel size, as for me, I'm just gonna take a random number 4 and let's see. So just draw a rectangle here, then here, then here. So this is our shape is complete. Now after you have made the shape, just make sure that you're happy with the width. Let's make it 5. It's quite acceptable, I guess. It's okay for me. Let's make it 6 and see. 6 is good enough. No, 5 is great. So after the shape and width and everything has been done, select the move tool, go to your shape layer, select your shape layer on which you have made this rectangle shape, go to the effects toolbar and select outer glow here. So you can also access the outer glow or the layer style panel by double clicking on the selected layer. Okay, so from here click on this outer glow, make sure that this is selected to screen, it's okay. Opacity needs to be near about 40, is okay. Now here comes the interesting part. So which color to use for the neon totally depends on you. So I'm gonna use some neutral color, I guess. Blue is good enough for me. Yeah, this is good. Click OK. Now technique is set to be softer part, spread. So we're gonna minimize the spread so that we don't get this edgy lights. For this, press 8 on your numpad or whichever digit you would like to insert. It totally depends upon your liking. For me, I'm choosing 8. Now make sure that the size of the neon light is near about 70. to 75, whichever suits you. So for me 70 works best, or most of the time. Okay, 70 is good. But if you are seeing that the lights are getting a bit edgy or a bit spread, you can try reducing it or increasing it as per the output you're getting. Okay, so let's say 68 is good. So here on the contour part, I've selected steep slope. Okay, you can try other contours also and see whichever works best for you. So for me this one works best. Now it's fine for the inner glow. For the inner glow, select the colors again. Yeah, I guess this is good enough. This is good enough. Okay, now click OK. Make sure that the opacity is a bit on the lower side. Okay, I guess 20 is okay. Make sure that this is selected to multiply. Now the elements part, make sure its edge is clicked. Software is okay. Make sure the choke is 0 and the size needs to be near about, I say, 10. Okay, 10 is good. 10 is good. Okay, so contour again, make sure that you are selecting it as per your shape. Since my shape has many pointy edges and curves, so I am selecting the steep contour. After everything has been set, click OK. So our neon effect is ready, but to give an extra touch, just right click on your layer, convert it to smart object. Now move down to the layer mask, click on the layer mask icon. Now select brush from the toolbar. Make sure that black color is selected. Zoom in and we're just gonna rub the part which is appearing on the hand, so as to give it a look that the hand is actually in the center of our shape. So as you will be doing it, you'll notice that you have rubbed off some of the unwanted spaces also. So just decrease the size of your brush and select the foreground color to white. In the mask tool, whatever you color with white will appear and whatever you color with black will disappear. This is why we all use layer mask. It's much more effective than using your eraser tool, because once the data has been lost by erasing it, the eraser tool, it cannot be gained back. You have to press undo for it. So now it looks good. To add a bit of a detail on the hand, just click on the hand, insert one layer in between your shape and hand layer. Make sure that the brush is selected. Okay, we're just gonna increase the size of the brush to this much. It's okay. Hardness to 0. Okay, now we're gonna apply some color so as to give it a look or a perspective that the hand is actually glowing on the side which is receiving light. So after selecting this, just color the area, or you can select color in the mode, brush mode to color, then just color your hand. Okay, don't worry, let it spill out or so. Okay, just make sure that it gives a bit of a realistic approach when you are coloring it. Like, since the neon light is here, so it's gonna give out lights here, here to here. And for this hand part, just gonna color it along the line like this. Okay, this is good. Great. So now you're partially done. Now after doing that, select the layer again on which you have applied these colors and change its blend mode to color, and we're just gonna decrease the opacity to the point where we think it's looking good enough. Okay, so it's looking good enough for me. So as you've noticed that we have done a bit of extra over here, so again we're going to create a layer mask. Select black as a foreground color. This time we're going to decrease the opacity of our brush to 38% or so. Okay, and we're just gonna erase out the excess blue which we have colored just by painting on it like this. Like this. Voila, our neon effect is almost ready. Just some finishing touches. Make sure to check all the areas where you have applied the color and make sure that it looks quite real. Okay, in case you have rubbed off anything extra, select it again, try to color it again with the brush too. Okay, yeah, again just gonna rub the excess part. Yeah, here it is. So a neon effect is complete. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.